Model, 69-plate Peugeot partner BERLINGO 1.6 BlueHDi 100S and S manual 950 professional spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant trader margin grin body, white, panel van mileage, 72,629 MOT. The 29th of September 2024 engine, 1,499 cc DV5RD transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine out of timing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.